Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop saving YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop saving YouTube activity history on Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and in search type My Activity. Here you will find the first option, welcome to my activity. Click on my welcome to my activity, and here you will find YouTube history, and now it's turned on. Just click on YouTube history, scroll down. Here you will find YouTube history is turned on right now. To turn it off, click on turn off button here. Now you will find pause YouTube history, and you will find a button pause. Click on pause, and look, the setting is off. Now click on got it, and now you will find here YouTube history is turned off right now. This is the easiest way to stop saving YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.